Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, we are able to upload one more useful video to the Tajweed series that we just started. I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us the sincerity in whatever we do. Today, let us speak about Waqf rules. Okay, Waqf rules. What do you think ahkam waquf mean? Waqf means stopping. Okay, so there are some rules regarding stopping, pausing, where to stop, where not to stop in the Quran, and they must be followed. Why do you think so? I'll take a simple example and just see how the meaning changes just by pausing. I won't be changing any word from it, I don't remove or add anything from it, but just by pausing and giving a pause and stopping somewhere, the meaning really changes. And the sentence, here it goes like, I didn't say he stole your book. Okay, so obviously you have come to know the meaning. Now what shall we do is, let us pause somewhere. Thoda sa pause deke dekhenge. Now what that is going to be. I'll pause here only. I didn't say he stole your book. So that means you did not say, somebody else might have said, right? If I'm gonna put the pause here, I'll pause it there. So how is that gonna affect? I didn't say he stole your book. That means you said it, but you did not say he stole. You might have said somebody else have stolen, right? If I say, I paused here, I didn't say he stole your book. I didn't say he stole your book. Okay, if I paused here, so that means he didn't steal your book. Maybe he borrowed, maybe he gave to someone, something like that. Okay, so if you just saw, the sentence is there and it's totally unchanged. Just by pausing somewhere, stopping somewhere, the meaning is changed. The same thing is going to happen in Quran as well. So we must be taking care of all the waqf symbols in the Quran. You have many, but we will take the important ones. Let us take the meme. So you also have got this meme, but we are not talking about this meme as for now. That is not for stopping, that's something else. And we'll just talk about this meme. This meme is a compulsory stop, and you must stop at this point. If you do not stop, you will change the meaning of it. Going to the second one, you have got laam alif, and the word la means no in Arabic. So the word itself is telling, do not stop here. Now jeem is jaiz, and the word is jaiz, and the meaning of jaiz is it's permissible. And what is permissible? It is permissible for you to either stop your recitation here or to continue. There will be no effect on the meaning whatsoever. So it's totally up to the reciter if he wishes to continue or to stop. The next one is this symbol. So this comes after the ending of every verse. So it's basically like a full stop in Arabic. So after every ayah, you have got this symbol, and whenever this comes, you must stop. You also have these symbol. You have got these 3 points which are always in pair. They never come alone. Always you have got pair of these 3 dots. What to do when they come? You have got to stop at any one of them. Either you stop here and continue your recitation, or you continue and come to this point and then you stop. You should not stop at both, and you should not neglect both, and you should not read. You must stop at either one of the point. Going to the next one, you have got za, and I like to call it as a bus stop. What does a bus stop do? All the buses comes to this and they stop, right? And what about the buses which are express? They do not stop until they reach the destination. So consider, you have got an ayah and you have got the symbol Zahia. Okay, now you're the bus, you're the reciter, you're the bus. So if at all you want to stop, this za says, I am the best position to stop. Please come and stop here. If at all you don't want to stop, then neglect this and you can continue reading, no problem at all. No meaning will be changed, so you can continue reading. But as said, if you want to stop, don't stop here, don't stop here. Just make an effort to stop here. It's the better position to stop. Going for the next rule, that is ka, kadhalika. So it is the comparison. What does this do? I like to call this as shape shifter. Okay, shape shifter. So why I call it as a shape shifter? Because in the ayah, consider this is a long ayah and you have got ka. It actually takes the characteristics of the previous rule. So if you have got the meme, then ka, you have got to stop. If you had laam alif somewhere here, then at the ka, you must not stop. If you had got jim previously, then the ka will behave as jim and you can stop or continue based on your preference. So ka is a shapeshifter. What does it do? It behaves as the previous sign. Whatever the sign was there, it takes its power. Okay? Now going for the next one, qil, sil. So these are like 70-30. What is 70-30? So we just saw a compulsory stop, so that is 100% stopping. We saw a compulsory recitation, so that was 100% going. We saw 50-50, that is jim, which you can read and stop, no problem. This is 70-30. That means in one of it, reading is better and the other, stopping is better. And there is no harm if you do the opposite, but something is better over the other. And what is better? Qil, here stopping is better. 70% stopping is better, but if you want to continue recitation, no problem, you can continue. Just like that, sil, here your continuation is better. You can just recite and go on, that's better. And if you want to stop, no problem at all, you can stop. Going for the next one, you have got this symbol, ain, and that is Ruku. This is the symbol where the topic is closed or the conversation have ended. This you might find whenever the surah has completed, you'll find ain there. In the bigger surahs, so many ayahs are there, you'll find it somewhere in between. How come in between? The topic has closed there and the new topic has begun. So ain, this is the best position to stop whenever you want to conclude your recitation of the day. So if you want to just complete your recitation and you plan to read so many ayahs and you want to just stop at this point, but you have got ain here, so what you can just do is continue your recitation and stop at ain. Again, there is no compulsion at all. You can stop anywhere you want, just for completing the whole phrase, the whole topic, you can choose to do it by stopping at ain. And even in salah, when you're performing the prayer, you can choose to stop at this point. You can definitely add one extra or stop one ayah previous to ain, but it is better that you stop at ain. Next we have got Sajdah. Sajdah, this comes almost 14 times in Quran, and this is sujood at-tilawa, the sujood of recitation. And whenever this come, you have got to stop. And why to stop? You have got to stop to perform one sujood. This sujood is different from that of the salat. You will be not performing two sujood but just one, and you have a specific dua for it. Inshallah ta'ala, in the future videos I'll try to make that, inshallah ta'ala. So what to do whenever this sujood comes? It is highly recommended that you do prostrate. Then we have got two more symbols, that is seen and ta. These two are pauses rather than called as stops. What is the difference now? The difference is of the duration. So when you stop, you take longer time to start your recitation, and when you're just pausing, you take some less time. Now this is called as absolute pause, and the scene is called as silent pause. What does that mean? In absolute pause, you take a break just to breathe, and then you continue your recitation. Whereas in scene, you take a break, but you don't even exhale or inhale. You hold on to the same breath and you continue your recitation. Hopefully you have understood today's class. Inshallah ta'ala, in the next class, I'll update how to stop on each ayahs. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.